हेलो गाइस, मैं हूँ here back in with another new video. बहुत रात हो गई है, जल्दी जल्दी वीडियो खत्म करते हैं. So basically what I gonna share with you today. Today I have a Figma plugin, Figma extension, you may say that also as well. Figma plugin that is most probably the best ever accessibility plugin that I have seen so far, and it has a lot of features into it that is greatly usable in sense of justifying accessibility of your design. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started and let me show you what the plugin looks like, how it works and all. Okay, so let's roll out the intro. So here we are having our today's plugin, that is RD. Okay, I don't know how you're pronouncing it, RD or AD or whatever you may like. So what it has, like, it is available for Sketch, Figma, and Adobe XD plugin. So obviously they are not compromising in any platform. You have colorblind simulator. That is a great thing to have. Most probably this is the first time I'm saying this, right? I don't know. And you have a all text generator. Like, how cool is that, right? You can get all text now on a button click. That's really great. And then you have a touch target size shaker. That is most important because when you are designing something in some of the design softwares, maybe Sketch, maybe Figma, maybe Adobe XD, uh, when you are designing, you don't get the overview of how it gonna look like on a screen, like actual screen. Okay, now we have the preview option, but still sometimes it falls short. When when you have decided a particular screen size, suppose, and you obviously will be able to display that on your preview, not bigger than that, not smaller than that, but you don't know if the user who gonna use it, like who gonna see the screen, is gonna exactly have that screen size that in which you have designed. So that's why this is important. Okay, so that's why this is important, and it checks for Apple devices, Android devices, Nielsen recommendation, and WCAGs. Okay, that's one thing. Then we have a comprehensive contrast checker. Another important thing. Obviously, uh, your elements, your components, your text have to have contrast. So this is one thing that obviously we have to check all the times while we are designing. But most of the time we get it right, but yeah, sometimes it can feel different from screen to screen. So that's why never to be honest, I am saying this, and this sounds wrong as a designer as well, but never trust your eyes rather than trust on results or mechanical results. But obviously, uh, develop the sense in which you can easily uh, trust your eyes. Suppose you are using a particular display, suppose it's a 100% sRGB display or 100% Adobe RGB, that would be too much costly, whatever. 100% sRGB display, and you know your display, like how the color is gonna look in different screens. So when you have that much familiarity with your screen, with your monitor that you walk every day with, you can easily, like, make correct things, make correct contrast. But still, using a tool will be helpful when using maybe some of the different screens or maybe some others. Okay, And actually that's it. That's all of it. And we have a share feature as well where you can share the color contrast and all. So that's really small. Whatever. So here is a Figma plugin page that I have added over here. Like obviously in Figma community it is available, and I will be showing it to you in Figma because I use Figma and I have Figma. That's why. Now obviously I am again getting back into the same thing, same same artboard or project that I use always. So let's click on it, and with you, like with you guys in front of me, I am trying this out for the first time. Okay, so let's type search Addy, and we have bunch of things. Let's click on menu. Sorry for the inconvenience, extremely sorry. So let's just bring up the alt text generator, right? Yeah, we have it, but I don't think it will detect it. It actually detected. Whoa, but frame 4 doesn't like some of the alt text frame. Rather than I would like to edit it. Yeah, I can use informative or decorative, add title, add description as well. Then area describe the acha, this is one css property, I think, right? Then I have the role image property as well. Okay, that is also over here. Then I can click on generate to have this, right? Okay, so let's try other plugins too. This is obviously as similar as like other things that I am that they have like shown. So nothing much or nothing less. Okay, oh wait, it goes right. Let's select it, type svg, nothing else is over here. Let's go to another thing. Obviously this is a frame, I don't know why it's getting only the background. Okay, this is getting the background and foreground color as same. Alt text, let's try it with color blind test. It will look good, right? Colorblind mode. Oh, normal, this is normal, same thing. Let's try Tritraponia. I don't know why this plugin is so small. I can't even see this window properly. I can't even read this window properly. So I, they have made a great tool, but on their own on their own system, not it's not system on their own plugin. They haven't followed accessibility. What I can say, right? So you can use others as well. Yeah, it's fairly visible as you can see the last color also isn't visible in normal mode as well. So you can see those. And targeted, actually we don't have a targeted use case for this because this is not a screen. Okay, so I can't show that to you because that will not make sense. Log in to use edit plugin features, like I don't want to use more plugins, and I can give feedbacks. Okay, so that's it for this plugin. So yeah, colorblind section is really useful. All text generation, I don't know how much useful it is, but yeah, it is. If I try different types of like, okay, let's suppose try a picture, then we will see. Okay, let's try something from pixels. Like let's pick just one random photo and then see what it tells about us. Let's pick this maybe. Okay, so it's oranges. it should be fair enough to explain this, right? All text generator for this. Let's see, we will get to know how good it is. But it's already giving the name, right? Pixel photos by blah blah blah. Olenka. Yeah, Olenka. Wait, it's crashed. Wait, it's crashed. It's crashed. It's crashed. It's crashed. I don't know why, but it's crashed. But so another thing we get to know about it's CPU intensive. But I don't think it's that much CPU intensive. My machine is right now running a lot of things. That's maybe why it's taking too much CPU. That is where that might be a possible reason. But you get it, right? You get it, all of the things. Yeah, you get all of the things, right? Like how it works and all. So yeah, that's it for this video. That's it for this plugin. My system broke. That doesn't have to anything to do with this plugin. This plugin is great. Okay, so I will be using it. Will be using it a lot from now on because it's important to check accessibility while you're designing. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I am too tired right now, but still I have to make the video. That's why consistency. That's why I'm making this video. Whatever. So if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of the great tools like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below. And that's it. Bye.